Welcome to Routindo.com. In this video, you are going to see how to get started with Routindo software. From software download and installation, to license request and validation, from your browser, connect to Routindo official website, at Routindo.com. From the navigation menu, under Download button, click on Routindo to navigate to Routindo installer download page. Once on the download page, click on the Download button, to get the last version of Routindo installer. Once the installation is completed, double-click on the downloaded file, and start the installation process. When you start Routindo client for the first time, you get a warning because you don't have a valid license. To request a free license, you should connect again to Routindo.com. Before sending your license request, you need to generate the machine unique token from Routindo client. This unique machine token is generated by Routindo client. On Help menu, click on License menu item. Then click Generate Activation Data button. Finally, copy the generated token. In License Request page, paste the copy token into the form, and click on the Form button to continue. In the next page, verify the billing details, and click on Place Order button. At this step, your request has been submitted. If you check your mailbox, you should receive an email from Routindo.com confirming that your request has been received. Once your license key is generated and ready, you receive an email confirming that your request has been treated successfully. To download your license file, connect to your account on Routindo.com. Your license key could be found either on License Keys section, or on the Order page. Here you find your license validity time, and the download button to get the license file. Once you downloaded your license file, you can import it from Routindo client. On Help menu, click on License menu item, open the license file you just downloaded. Once the license key is validated, you will see all the license information, such as the owner, and the license expiration date. At the end, click on Save button to activate your Routindo license. Enjoy routines automation with Routindo.